When your tech gear is looking kind of rough from dust and fingerprints and lunches at your desk, give it a spa day with this multifunctional cleaner. It works so well. Look how nasty my laptop was before. Fingerprints, smudges, dust, and I started with the brush and then I used the microfiber cloth to wipe it, and then I even used the enclosed cleaning spray to clean the screen even better. It's so amazing. Then some of the other features that you should know is, and this is one of my favorites, is the small little tool that can help you get the lint out of the end of your iPhone. I used to have a huge problem with that, but not anymore. And then also for your headphone case, the earwax that builds up, you simply use this guy to clean it out. It's so handy, and it comes in this perfect little case that you can just throw into your work bag, and it's got everything you need. Oh, and I didn't mention one of the other features that is so cool is the keyboard puller. Like you can pull the key off the keyboard so that you can clean in between. So slick. This is such a great tool. I highly recommend it. Buy yours today.